everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on West Bengal. West Bengal is a state in eastern India. Its capital is Kolkata, a large and famous city. West Bengal has many rivers including the Ganges. The state is known for its rich culture, music and art. Durga Puja is a big festival celebrated joyfully in West Bengal. People in West Bengal speak Bengali as their main language. The state has beautiful places like the Sundarbans, home to Bengal tigers. West Bengal is famous for delicious sweets like rasgulla and sandesh. Darjeeling in West Bengal is known for its tea and scenic hills. The people of West Bengal are warm, friendly and proud of their culture. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.